For this side, you're going to need 2 colors. So if you need to push pause for a second and get 2 colors, go ahead. All right, so I want you to circle the 2 with one of your colors and then color in 2 dots. Then circle the 5 and color in 5 dots, like this. So you can use the 10 frame to help you add. So if I have 2 dots plus 5 dots, how many do I have altogether? 7, very good. 7 is the sum. All right, let's use our crayons and do the next one. Circle the 4 and do 4 dots in your 10 frame. Then take your second color and do 4 more dots. Then you count all of them together and find your answer. What's the answer? 8. All right, now take your crayon and circle the 1 and do 1 dot. Then we're going to take your second color and circle the 8 and do 8 dots. Now I want you to look at your 10 frame and tell me how many total. It's 9, very good. All right, boys and girls, I want you to try the last 2 problems on your own. I want you to put the dots in the 10 frame and find the answer. When you're finished, make sure your name is at the top and give yourself a smiley face for doing all the work. Put it in the turn-in basket and start on Dreambox. All right, boys and girls, today we're going to practice writing some math equations, and we're going to do addition to 10. So I'm going to give you 2 addends. Can you say the word addend? Yeah, good. Say the word addend. We're going to take 2 addends and add them together and then write the answer. So the first 2 addends are going to be 2 plus 5. Now remember our trick. We catch the 5 and we count up 2. So why don't you try that? Catch 5 and keep counting. What's the answer? 7. Very good. Okay, let's do 2 more addends. Let's do the addends 1 and 7. So which number is bigger, the 1 or the 7? Good, it's the 7. So catch the 7 and count up 1. Give it a try. What's the answer? It's 8. Very good. On the next one, let's do the 2 addends of 6 plus 4. 4. So let's catch the 6 and count up 4. Ready? 6, 10. Very good. Okay, we have 1 more. Let's do 2 plus 2. They're both the same, so we just catch the 2 and count up 2. Ready? 2, 3. What's the answer? 4. Nice job.